In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create these hologram images by using Blender and Stable Diffusion. As usual, I'll create a plane, duplicate it, and type R, X, and 90 to rotate it 90 degrees on the X axis. Type G and Y to move the duplicated plane on the Y axis, and type S to scale. Please use Workbench and turn off the composite nodes. I'll press Shift and backquote keys together and use WASD keys to move the camera around to set up the render scene. I'll subdivide the cylinder and add some loop cuts. Let's render the scene, and import the image to Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.